Grand River crossing. For 109 years now it did hide the lonely men and women in the night. When the winter snow would seek shelter from the cold. They've been around longer than me, and when I'm gone they still will be. These lonely eyes you can't see. Grand River crossing, they seek to find a place where they can go, but there aren't too many places that they know. In a steel mill town on a river that drowns any false sense of being free. This place is not a home that's meant to keep these lonely eyes you can't see. Grand River crossing, by the count of the church bells they live. You can hear it chime 10 times from the bridge. There used to be a steel rail when these roads were horse trails. There might have been a better time to be. This whole railway shelter will not ease these lonely hearts you can't see. Grand River crossing, and to this day you still can see it all, from the markets to the Bank of Montreal. Since 1885, almost are coffee shops and dives, and a home to the poorer company, the wanderers and keepers of the streets, these lonely eyes you can't see. Grand River crossing, for 109 years now it did hide the lonely men and women in the night, who in the winter snow would seek shelter from the cold. They've been around longer than me, and when I'm gone they still will be. These lonely eyes you can't see.